performance management plays a pivotal role in driving organizational success and achieving strategic objectives. However, with evolving business landscapes and emerging complexities, traditional performance management approaches may fall short. That's where the College of Performance Management's professional education program steps in, providing professionals with the necessary knowledge and skills to navigate the challenges of integrated performance management effectively. The College of Performance Management's PEP offers a unique opportunity for individuals seeking to enhance their understanding of performance management and earned value management methodologies. In particular, this program emphasizes two essential aspects: earned value management and integrated performance management. Earned value management, also known as EVM, is a project management technique that enables organizations to track and evaluate project performance systematically. By integrating time, cost, and scope, EVM provides project managers with a holistic view of project progress, enabling better decision-making and forecasting. Within the PEP program, professionals gain an in-depth understanding of the principles and practices of earned value management. They learn how to apply earned value techniques to measure project performance accurately, identify variances, and take corrective actions when necessary. These skills empower professionals to optimize project outcomes, enhance stakeholder satisfaction, and ensure successful project delivery. Integrated performance management takes performance evaluation beyond individual projects and extends it to the organizational level. The PEP emphasizes the importance of integrating performance management practices throughout the entire organization. Participants learn how to develop and implement performance measurement frameworks, establish meaningful KPIs, and align individual and team objectives with organizational goals. The PEP offers two distinct credentials: the Foundation Credential and the Practitioner Credential. These credentials serve as a testament to professionals' expertise in earned value management and integrated performance management. The Foundation Credential equips individuals with a solid understanding of the fundamental concepts, principles, and techniques in performance management. It lays the groundwork for further specialization and advancement in the field. Professionals who earn the Foundation Credential demonstrate their commitment to professional development and their ability to contribute effectively to performance management initiatives. The Practitioner Credential, on the other hand, signifies a higher level of proficiency in applying earned value management and integrated performance management methodologies. Professionals who achieve this credential possess advanced knowledge and skills to implement and drive performance management practices within their organizations. This credential showcases their ability to lead performance improvement initiatives, facilitate change, and achieve measurable results. As organizations strive to thrive in a rapidly changing business landscape, integrated performance management has become indispensable. The College of Performance Management's professional education program empowers professionals to master earned value management and integrated performance management methodologies. By earning the Foundation Credential and Practitioner Credential, individuals demonstrate their commitment to excellence in performance management practices. We thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more details on how to register and attend.